Hello guys and welcome to the next episode of modsauce 2. So today I am still tweaking and improving the Botania mana production. This bit is actually working pretty well. I will show you when we go upstairs. There's a couple of problems with it though. One is that the crafter gets clogged up with seeds, and when it's clogged up the farming station stops working. So I think that's not going to be too hard to fix. Let me just remove a few more of the seeds to make space for the good stuff. So I've put a trash can here and I've given this a filter to say only the seeds should go to the trash can. Of course it connects with this, which is annoying. Let's see whether we can break that connection. But I think it hasn't really solved the problem, so I think I need to put another filter, which I've made here. And this time say it's a blacklist and put seeds, or a whitelist and put wheat. So now seeds are gonna go here and wheat is going to go here and everything should be nice. Let's just make a little bit more space. Yeah, but the power seems to be getting in very nicely. The second problem I am having, which might have actually occurred, yes, is that the mattock is broken. So I don't know if this will work, because coming in constantly, I mean, it's because this is happening quite fast because we have the imaginary time block, so the wheat is growing like incredibly fast. So I don't know if this will work. I really... No. Oh well, okay then. I really don't want to keep taking up spaces, but I was wondering, oh damn it, like I was wondering whether we could just leave a bunch of house here and just automatically, whether it would automatically take them from this, except of course I need to get in there. I'm gonna have to dig a hole, get in there and tell it to extract there. Yep, it's taken up a hole. So okay, this isn't like a permanent solution, but I can at least make a bunch of holes, fill them in here, and it shouldn't need frequent looking after, which I think is probably the best that can be said about this issue. But other than this, and other than the fact that I'm using my beloved imaginary time block on it, I am very satisfied with how this is working. I've lowered the sand in the hourglasses, so they're dropping now. Well, I still need to make the 2 flowers here, but now bread is dropping every 8 seconds down here and every 10 seconds there, and you know, I'm sure I can put that down. So the flowers they're not, let's give it just 5 seconds. The flowers aren't, so each block of sand equals 1 second, and if you had red sand, I think it equals 10 seconds or 20, and soul sand is a minute. You can, it's so funny, you can sort of hear the flowers eating, but as you can see there's no bread. This is, well, quite full of bread. I don't know if the farming is going to be fast enough for it now. We might have to slow it down a bit, or make another farming station, so there's one for this side and one for this side, because they seem to be able to consume the bread quite quickly, but they're producing a nice amount of mana. And remember, this guy is sending mana down here. I am less pleased with the blaze setup, which is on this side. So the first disappointment was that I couldn't use the blaze that I couldn't use the compact machine for the spawner. The blaze just didn't spawn. So spawning the blaze down there in the old wither skeleton spawner, and Tesseract is getting the blaze rods here. But it's not really working very well. I mean, I could definitely afford to drop them faster. I think only 2 flowers are producing mana right now, and on that side as well, but we're just not getting the blaze rods. Now, one thing that I am very doubtful about is whether the cursed earth underneath the spawner is working properly. So that's supposed to be making the spawner autonomous, so it can work even if I'm not right next to it. And as you can see, nothing is spawning here. And then if I get nearer, it actually will. So eventually, yeah, here we go. But then, see, I can go quite a bit further and it will still spawn them, I think. I don't really understand this. So, because I'm sure the cursed earth, I've put a block of cursed earth underneath the spawner, and I'm sure that was working really well before, so I do not know what's happened. Let's just switch on the light quickly just to make sure that it really is cursed earth. Still, yes, you can see so I think that, well, so I was going to do a lot of research about how this cursed earth mechanic works, etc, etc, but then I thought we could do something quite different, or I was actually just thinking of starting a tree farm over there for the charcoal. But I really like this idea. I like the idea of using blaze rods for mana, plus getting some blaze rods as an extra for ourselves. So what I am going to do is use Gany's nether, because, I'm looking at it right now. You can upgrade vanilla spawners with Gany's nether. It's not cheap, but we have lots of all the stuff because, we are extremely rich by now. The first thing you have to do is make this upgrade, which actually doesn't give you anything, it's just something you have to do. And then there is a whole level of upgrades: iron, lapis, gold, blah blah, with nether stars somewhere in there. Oh yes, here. And each one of those gives you 2 slots that you can put upgrades in. And then I think here are, it goes up to 7. 7 is with the dragon egg. Wow. And then you can make the spawner react to redstone, which might be a good idea. You can make it autonomous. This is silky, which we don't need. And then you can upgrade the quantity of mobs that spawn, so that would be good to have. You can upgrade the range, but I'm not too bothered with the range. And everything in here needs one of those, which is basically all the materials of the nether as far as I can see. But we have all this stuff, it's not going to be difficult. So I am going to craft a few of these nether cores, a few of these progressive upgrades, and I think we'll go with the redstone, the autonomous, and a few of the quantity upgrades. So I'll be right back once I've done that. Okay, so it's a little bit of crafting later, and here we are, of course, with all sorts of upgrades. Of course I'm gonna have to go in there and apply them and probably get firebombed by my friends. But we have to start with the coal one, then the iron, this, and this. Oh, and I think this is the last one. I think that's tier 5. So I think that means we've added 10 possible upgrade slots. This is one made with emeralds. And then I thought we'd go for the redstone control, the autonomous one, just in case the autonomous thing isn't working. And I've made 7 upgrade controls, which means we should be getting 7 more than normal. here, here, and here. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have to do this 7 times, I guess. Lovely. Okay, let's get out of here and see how it's working. Oh yeah, I think that's more than the normal number of spawns. Very nice. I'm gonna have to set up some sort of redstone signal, probably from the top for the control, of course. Oh, come on. Give us another one. So I think the theory is this should be producing 11 of them at once, which I'm not sure it is. But well, it's producing quite a few. Ah, yeah. Now the question is, will this still work when I am far away? Which it should, because of the autonomous upgrade. Let's see. Okay, I am far, far away and nothing seems to be happening. Although it's just possible. Oh no, there they are, a whole lot of them. This is really working quite well. I mean, it was quite expensive, you know, with diamonds, but then I did do quite a lot of these upgrades. So, but yeah, it's still kind of slow. But other than that, I am quite pleased with how it's working. Yeah, well, that should mean that I should be able to upgrade. Where are we? Here are the guys. Ah, see, this is run out. But with the better production now, and this doesn't have much in it, I'm going to upgrade, but I think I'm going to give it some time just to let this build up, I think. But yeah, this is really quite a bit of fuss. I should just do it with the hungry plants because they are working so well. The only problem I've noticed with them is that the mana spreaders are full, which means it's above their capacity. So yeah, I probably will slow down. I'll probably actually slow these down. Give them 16 and 16 because there's no point doing this if there's no point dropping the bread so fast that the spreaders can't cope with it. I will soon build the portal to the elves and upgrade the spreaders to the elvish ones, which I think have a higher capacity. But let's just see how our map was. Oh, more than half full. That is very nice. Let's see how this is working. Yeah, wow, almost quarter full. Yep, I think it's quite clear which system works better, but I don't think it's a big deal to have 2 different systems here. Yeah, let's see how this is doing. Anyway, that will be all for now, I think. Just a little bit more tweaking of the mana production setup. Soon, hopefully, we will be able to get to use Botania for a few other cool things. But for now, thank you very much for watching and see you next time.